In this webinar from Vulcan Security Systems, we will take a look at what you can expect when you call us for a proposal or a quote on a new or upgraded video and premises security system for your Alabama business. It's the goal of Vulcan Security Systems to be a value-added partner with our clients to help you find solutions to your security-related business problems. We believe that a site visit and site evaluation is a vital first step in defining the scope of your premises security needs. If we can get on site and do an evaluation, we can often recommend alternative solutions that might be better than a competitor's proprietary system, with more options for expansion in the future. It's obvious that the purpose for a video security system is to provide better security for property and for people. But we found that in most situations, there's really a deeper underlying business challenge that's driving the decision to install a new system or to upgrade an older system right now. The site inspection, combined with an understanding of the business purposes for a security system, will really guide the design of an appropriate and cost-effective video surveillance and premises security system. We believe that technology should serve your business rather than dictate how you run your business. When we do a site assessment, we can begin to understand your challenges. We can see firsthand whether any terrain, landscaping, or lighting issues may be contributing to your security problems. In a nutshell, seeing the physical campus helps us to ask better questions to refine your objectives for investing in a new or upgraded video security system. The in-person site visit also helps us to build trust. We believe that face-to-face conversations enables more frank discussions about security challenges. The site visit helps us determine the right level of camera resolution to get the job done. Sometimes a wide-angle lens that can cover a large area with reasonable but not superfine resolution will be fine. In other situations, the need may be for a high-definition camera with zoom capabilities to view the name on a badge, an ID card, or even a vehicle tag number. Sensor-equipped cameras capable of monitoring operating conditions may also be part of your need. If we're being asked to upgrade or expand an existing video security system, we need to evaluate the technology currently in use to determine compatibility and the most cost-effective way to handle a retrofit or expansion. We like to involve your senior IT managers or personnel as early as possible, whether you have an in-house IT department or outsource it to another vendor. The IT network is an important variable in IP video security, so we need to make sure your IT network can handle the added demands. We sometimes get calls from price-driven prospects with a list of system parameters, and they just want us to give a quote without a site visit. We understand that price is important to our clients, but we think it's also important to design a system to meet your goals and security objectives. If we can't bring an appropriate security installation online within the available budget, it's helpful to know that early on so we can recommend you move on to other options. That being said, we can often identify system features and benefits that you may not have thought of, like how thermal cameras can mitigate risk such as overheated equipment. We put together a guide to help you define the scope of your video surveillance and premises security system needs. That guide might help you refine your objectives for a security system and better understand your technology options. This guide is available on our website in text, slide, and webinar formats. One question that you might have is this: how long will it take to get my quote? For most jobs, we have a proposal and a quote ready within 3 days of our initial site visit. Our quotes and proposals go beyond a mere dollar amount. We provide a list of our recommendations for cameras and other hardware, along with the price for the equipment. We give you a price for our installation services, and if IT network upgrades are needed, we cover those in the proposal. We also include product literature and details on our proactive service option plans. And if your security needs include video monitoring, we'll provide details on our real-time and event-based monitoring packages. Once we have a green light and a signed contract, we're ready to move on to the installation process. We typically require a 50% upfront payment in order to order the cameras and other hardware, and we schedule the installation based on what's convenient for you and your business operations. We usually get the cameras and equipment overnight and can be ready to install as soon as you're ready. And to make sure our technicians get the cameras positioned over the right coverage areas, we like to have someone from senior management available during the installation. Our installation services include pulling cables for the cameras, installing the cameras, and connecting them to the DVRs that will record and store the footage. We also program the cameras and the DVRs based on your security plan, configure the software for the cameras and DVR, connect to your network, and train your staff on using the system. Our training includes how to remote in to view the live feed, how to access stored video, how to operate any PTZ functionality if you purchased pan, tilt, zoom cameras, and how to add new authorized users into your system. Once we've completed the installation, we regularly check operational status for a few weeks to make sure the system is operating properly. Our contracts include a limited warranty for the installation time frame, and once that limited warranty has expired, we will charge for service calls unless you've purchased a proactive service optional plan for post-installation troubleshooting and system reconfigurations, equipment servicing, and the like. The optional service plan is priced based on your anticipated future service needs. You can contract for a set number of service hours. The standard service package includes 1 hour of service time, which includes remoting in once a month to check the system status. If additional service work is needed, including work that can't be handled through our remote access, our service plan lets you lock in a discounted hourly rate for service calls and site visits. It's the aim of Vulcan Security Systems to provide a level of service that eliminates one of the headaches or pain points in your business. Your video security system should be worry-free, and our proactive service option can help make that happen. Here's an example of how our proactive service plan can help you save money. Recently, the IT staff for one of our clients installed a new firewall over the weekend, and this threw the cameras offline. So when we get the call, we were able to remote in and reprogram the cameras and DVR with new settings. Without the proactive service plan, our client would have had to pay us for a van roll and an on-site service call. With the service plan in place, there was no charge for the reprogramming. Not all of our customers need monitoring packages, but we can serve those who do. We offer real-time monitoring and event-based monitoring packages. Let us know if that's a service that you would be interested in. Our service philosophy begins with the belief that we are a value-added partner, helping our clients meet commercial security objectives for premises and physical security, enhanced business operations, and risk mitigation. Our website features a library of resources about video and premises security technology, services, and system design. If you have a question, we may have an article to answer it. Check it out at www.VulcanSecuritySystems.com. We offer free initial site consultations to Central Alabama businesses, so call us or email today at 205-290-9404 or email jason@VulcanSecuritySystems.com.